the camera. Say what's up, everybody. Say good morning. So, guys, I just woke up. It's about 11 o'clock. I got no sleep last night because of these videos. Staying up editing, but it's cool. What's up, papas? Say hi. This is a lazy Tuesday, Wednesday. Lazy Wednesday. Lazy Wednesday, huh, papi? I'm doing nothing today. Yep, so that's what he's doing.
We literally just woke up. Josiah is eating his bottle, being peaceful. I'm gonna drink my coffee. I always drink coffee in the morning, and then we'll figure something out. So we have a fish. Where's the fish? Right here. Gara has to clean out the bowl. The fish's name is Mr. Fishy Fish.
Mr. Fishy Fish.
He was supposedly
In the walking bush.
Oh yeah, this is Geppetto.
Really stinky. Can I smell from here?
And this is Garo's celery. He grew from just that root right there. Magic hands.
What's up, guys? So we're out here checking the garden, and we're trying to do pineapple, grow it out from straight water. So that's dope. We got celery right there. We get an acre. But we got, you got your watermelon plant, strawberries. You got one strawberry growing actually right there. That looks pretty good. Can't wait to eat that. Then you got some, what is this, cucumber plant? This one's came in from the seed. At first I thought it wasn't gonna grow good because of these leaves right here, but it's actually growing really good, really healthy leaves. Everything's really good. This season are doing so good. Don't know if I'm gonna plant them next year. Didn't really grow that good. We have some chili plant, can't remember. Serrano chili plant. It's loving the heat. It's like, I'd say 80 degrees right now, probably 90 later. Another cucumber plant. This one's looking really good too. This one I bought, it was a sapling, really tall. It's nice. Hopefully I get a cucumber in soon, man. Then we have the tomatoes. I don't know if you can tell, spiders have taken over my tomato thing, which is fine with me. Most people take them off or try to get rid of the spiders, spray it down with some kind of thing. They eat a lot of the flies, especially fruit flies, and aphids and stuff like that come. I probably said that wrong. That come and eat your produce. So for me, that's a plus. I'm trying to show you this tomato that I got, but I can't really get a good angle in there. There it is. See, we got two more coming in. There's a few more coming in too, but they're not in yet. And we got these flowers right here. Not sure what they're called, but my wife was dying for me to plant some flowers in her garden, so this is it. We got a jalapeno plant. No jalapenos yet, but soon. And you got more strawberries, of course. Gotta have the strawberries. I just personally love strawberries so much. I just figured, I'll grow my own. How do you know? Cool.
There's a bird stuck in our fireplace. Josiah, here you go. Look. gonna have some cereal.
So we're debating if we should buy a camera, which I think we should. I don't know. I think we should buy the camera. We're doing more videos. We're taking this seriously, so I believe we should probably invest something a little better than an iPhone, because I'm pretty tired of having black bars on my videos.
Guys, so this right here is my profile on our computer, and check out Gabriel's gnarly beard. I think he looks a lot hotter with a beard on. Okay, you guys, our first vlog is up.
Where are you gonna go? Where are you going for brunch? Huh? Or lunch? What's brunch for you? Watching the vlog.
Catch up on some TV.
Ew. Oh, what is that? I'm alien.
6:08.
6:08.
And just I'm still gone, so I'm stressing. But it's okay. And watch some more YouTube videos and maybe some Army Wives. And just hang out.
Oh, don't go like that.
Hopefully, Josiah gets home. That was Gabriel, guys. He thinks it's funny. Gabriel's still working on some vlogs. We're waiting for it to upload.
Done.
Oh, they're done.
Uploading.
And then we're gonna work on a trailer for our channel. So that's gonna be fun. Gabriel's making fun of me, guys. He thinks this is funny. Stop laughing at me.
Hey, guy.
Gabriel's making fun of me and my typing.
Tell him why.
Then my typing.
Hey, guy.
I typed it, hey guy.
Oh, it was funny how I read it.
Try to read it differently.
It said, "Hey guy, welcome to Tiny Moment, a daily blog about my tiny family life."
How is that funny?
It was like, "Hey guy," you're just singling someone out. I don't know.
So I finished cleaning, guys. Cleaned our bathrooms. Nice and clean. It smells delicious. The light bulb just went out in our bathroom. I stopped to clean Josiah's room. Josiah woke up from his nap. I'm gonna work on the desk next. It's a mess. Wish me luck.
We're chilling with Josiah, and he is not having it.
He's teething, you guys.
He's teething, he's angry, he's mad, he's doing baby stuff. Oh, you think it's funny? He's like, oh, I'm on camera, I better look good. I better behave. Say what's up. So what seems to be the problem? Say what's up.
He is.
What are you saying?
What's up?
You taking a bite out of that?
Give me a kiss. Oh, kisses.
Say, what are you doing? you like looking at yourself in the camera? You want to come to me to go pick up your uncle? His uncle is 19? Oh, wait, 17?
17.
He's 17 years old. He goes to Hill Ridge. His name is Isaac. He is my brother. He is, I'd say, a pretty good artist. He makes pretty good music. I'll probably put him on the vlog. See what's up with that. Of course, I need his consent to have his music on here.
Oh, by the way, you guys, all the music that's being put on our vlog is made by Gabriel.
Yes, that is true.
That's true. That's good. He's really talented.
I try. No, I'm just learning. I'm learning here and there. What? He ain't gonna fall. He's good. He's here with his dad. His dad's got him. Oh, Bubba. Where's your selfie stick? I could really use one now.
I know. It's
Or
in
a
the
stand.
car.
I'm gonna get it.
Hey, well then you need to buy me another selfie stick.
You didn't even use it.
I use.
Where is it?
It's in the car.
Exactly.
I use it.
No, because I know exactly where it is in the car. And it's somewhere where you.
I know exactly where it's in the car too.
It's somewhere where you just can't. Oh, I'm gonna just everyday use. You know, you wouldn't put your phone there. That's all I'm telling you. Oh, Baba, you wouldn't put your phone there. You tired?
Spoil me a little.
You have your son right here. Ooh. Ooh. Say hi. Tell him the update. What's new with your life? Hi, my name is Josiah. And if I was president, everyone in America would have a bottle of lechita. Oh, oh, oh! Can't take over it, dude. Okay, let's get away from the ledge. You're starting to scare me. Tired? That's him giving his hugs. He doesn't know how to give kisses, so he puts his forehead against your forehead and kind of gives you one of those, you know, like, yo, bro, I'm here. I feel you kind of things. He's really likes to fan to it and he likes to crawl. He's fast. Say bye, Josiah. Mid-afternoon update.
So you guys, hey, wait. Let's
Oh,
go home
oh.
real quick.
Oh, hey, are you coming up good on the screen?
Yes, my channel. So we have 22 views in 1 hour, and we were honestly expecting like 10.
We'd just like to say thank you for everyone who's giving us our views.
Yeah, subscribe.
We just started this as like a little project. We're just like, you know, screw it. We got some free time. Might as well do some vlogs. Everyone else is doing it. And for Josiah, so when he's older, he can look back. Oh no, he's not liking this, but yeah. Thanks, guys.
Thank you guys. Subscribe and like. Look.
Down there, and we about to find out. Here we go. Turn the sound alarm. We're on our way. So I don't know where the cops went in my neighborhood and the fire department. I was really hoping to keep you guys posted to see what's going on. Well, whatever happened, hopefully they're safe. Just know my son is safe. I was really hoping they're gonna pull up there, and then I would have been crapping myself to pull up with the cops and fire department here. But nope, we're safe. Everyone's safe, sir. All right, to wrap up for today, Grace is too tired to say goodnight, I guess, but I don't know. We'll see you guys tomorrow. We just want to say thank you for all our viewers. Thanks for the comments. Thanks for the subscribes. And we'll keep on producing vids for you and keeping you updated about what happens in our life. Thanks, guys.